Hello learners. Now we'll be learning about the composition timeline over here. This is the composition settings. I've taken a new composition. So you can go to composition, new composition, and over here I'll change the duration to maybe 2 and then 0, which means this is 5 seconds, or maybe I'll make this as 10:00 with 1920,080. So if you see, timeline over here is of 10 seconds. Now let me take a solid. I can right click here, I can say new, and then I can go to solid, and let me add a color of solid, maybe this. Now over here, as this is a solid over here, now say for example I've done the animation and maybe I've taken a footage also. Let me take a footage. This was a single image what we had. So this also, After Effects also allows us to import single images, which we have already seen. Or else let me take this image over here. I have this image, the entire video over here. If I double click here, original duration is around, just let me fit this up to 100. So the original duration is of 16 seconds. We'll start from 0 and it goes till 16 seconds. Now say for example, if I only want this of, so this is the footage, this is the area where you actually see the footage over here. Now this is of 16 seconds, but my timeline over here, the composition setting over here is of 10 seconds. Now I want only the area which is this. What I can do is I'll just crop this and I'll just turn these off, and I'm on my footage over here. This is the CTI, which is the current time indicator, and I'm actually looking to take a nice segment. What I want is, I do not want the entire footage from here, so I want it from maybe 3 seconds. I'll say this, which is the end point. I'll hit on this key, and over here I will take maybe this till 11, and I'll take this. Now this starts from 3, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. We have got around the footage what we want, where we want to work in. What I'll do is I'll take this entire footage what I have trimmed, which by in and out points over here. This is an option of ripple insert edit, and this is an option of overlay edit. So I'll go to my frame here, first frame, and I'll say ripple insert edit. What it did is it actually it took the composition, the footage from here till the 8 seconds, and then it would actually start with the next footage what we have. However, my original duration of the composition remains same at 10. This was the first option, which was ripple edit. We will wrap up this part here and continue in the next segment. Thank you.